So a big warm welcome out there, ladies and gents. Thank you so much for coming back and joining me here today. Thanks for sticking around on this Tuesday morning here. Now, this is the second day of the week here this week that we've had no major news today, and that was on our minds all morning. We had another huge day today, guys. Another huge day. Did 180 ticks yesterday, 240 ticks today. 230 of those ticks were fast track calls, entries, stops, and targets, nice and easy. Before we talk about these trades though this morning though, let me remind you guys though, what makes us so successful is that we have a proper trading plan. That trading plan tells me exactly where to place my stops, my targets, what patterns to take, what to do when something goes wrong, and when to do nothing at all. That is the most important thing. See, any guru out there can give you a time to trade. But show me a trading plan that keeps me out of the markets when I shouldn't be trading, and that's a trading plan I want to use for my trading career. So I look forward to sharing these trading plans with all of our members. If you're a guest right now, please be careful with your risk capital until you have this trading plan in front of you and you're properly trained. With that said, had another great day here in the room. Now, we had some time this morning to go over our news. The first clue we saw this morning was the news. And the first clue this morning was no major news. There was no major news today. Without any major news, what does that remind me? What does that tell me? Be careful. Be patient. Market personality is the most important thing. And with no major news later on this afternoon and nothing tomorrow morning, we knew that this day could go anywhere it wanted to. We did have some early morning, very bullish news out of the euro, but it really didn't get the markets going this morning. We had President Draghi at 8:30 on the ECB speaking. Again, didn't really get us going. Now, what did get us going, though, was the next clue. And the next clue we got from the morning prep. The morning what? The morning prep. Every day at 7:30, we post our trading plan, our strategy today. So you go back to the blog, sidewaysmarkets.com. There's a section up top here called the morning prep. Click on that link, the morning prep. And by the way, guys, while you're there, don't forget to join our blog by joining the site. Okay, join the site, because all of these trade charts that I posted were not sent out to my newsletter. So if you want to get all the instant updates, guys, make sure you follow our blog. And don't forget also, we post all the charts. All the charts are updated on these bullet points on the lower right-hand side of the screen here. So let's go back into the morning prep section real quick here. And don't go too far here too either, because I want to talk about some important topics today too. Open up that heat map. And what did we see in the dollar today? What was the heat map? Here's my heat map. What do we get? Dollar. What's the dollar doing? Dollar was rising. Now that's a good clue. What else do we get? Look all the way down here. Gold, baby. I want the gold. There you go. So gold is dropping. And gold, you can see here, along with the Russell, along with crude oil. Crude should be here somewhere too. You've got our favorites are gold, crude, Russell, euro. All of them telling us what? Sell, sell, dollar rising. Second clue today, we better be looking for the short side, because that dollar heat map is telling us be on the lookout for sellers. So first clue was no news. That didn't help me out very much. It means anything can go today. Second clue was the heat map. The heat map told us exactly what's happening right now. Prices are moving lower. We're going to sell retracements. And funny how that works, because now look at our results today. And what do you think we did a lot of? Absolutely. We sold short. In fact, we took 12 trades today. Only 10 of them were short. We had only 2 of them were long. And you can see here, the longs, we did get some winners out of it. So we followed our plan today. This is why I always say this is the most important thing of my day. Right now is the most important part of my day. Why? Because now I can see proof. Did my morning review at 7:30, did it end up giving me winning results? Yes, it definitely did. So I can easily look back in time now. At 7:30, we said let's trade short. At 11:30, did we follow our plan? Yes, we did. Did it make us money? Yes, it did. Now, subconsciously, that tells me I got to be a fool to go against my plan next time. Okay, remember, as a day trader, our emotions are so powerful, and I know that if I followed my plan and I make money, if I do that consistently, now my emotions, my subconscious, my psyche says, JJ, follow that plan, man. Why wouldn't you? You've never seen it turn you wrong. So second clue tells me to get short, and clearly here we make our money trading short today. Now let me show you guys here how we made that money. First trades today here were on the gold. Gold was pretty darn easy today. Now the biggest clue on gold today, and again, you don't need to go to a live chart. You can go right back to the morning prep. I'm going to bring up a live chart here. We talked about this. What are the two clues on gold? Two clues on gold. First clue, outside day, below the previous low. What does that clue tell me to do? Sell retracements. Second clue, dollar moving higher. Is gold tied to the dollar? You betcha. So the dollar rising higher,